Sarah. Good morning, everyone. Well, we started a conversation on life insurance last week, and today Stewart Welch, our financial advisor this morning, joins us with more to consider. We've already determined that term insurance is probably the most beneficial for most people.
Yeah, and it's because it's less expensive. So when $1 million of term insurance for a 30-year-old costs, say a 20-year level term costs maybe $500 a year. If you bought permanent insurance, cash value insurance, it'd be about 4 times that. So, for people, what we want to make sure is people have enough insurance and keep their costs low.
That is the trick, isn't it? There's a definite balance there. And now you're going to be talking about converting those term
Well, one of the big
insurance.
advantages of term insurance is you have a guaranteed right to convert to a permanent policy, a cash value policy, without proving you're in good health. So let's say you had a 15-year level term policy and you get to the end of that period, the policy's about to lapse, you're in poor health. You can't go buy new insurance. You can convert this policy. And Sarah, the things we want to be careful of, there are 2 what I call term insurance conversion traps.
Okay, number one.
Number one is that when you're get ready to do that conversion to that permanent policy, some insurance companies have figured out, well, listen, this guy's probably not in good health, and so we're going to only allow you to convert to a permanent policy that's not a very good policy. It's really expensive. It's not as good as the other policies that they sell to their customers. So that's the first trap. And then the second one is sometimes, typically the conversion privilege lasts the entire term of the insurance. So for a 15-year level term, you can convert any time during that 15 years. But some insurance companies will allow that conversion privilege to expire, say 3 years earlier, maybe 12 years. And after 12 years, you don't get to convert. Well, most people forget, right? So they get to the 15th year and they realize, really I need to convert this policy, and they can't do it. So I think the way to address the problem is you go to your agent, you want to ask them, if I convert, can I convert to a competitive permanent policy? And then does the conversion privilege last the entire term of that policy? And those are really the ways you're going to protect yourself.
Okay, so what if the answer is not a good one? What should people do?
Well, depending on how important that conversion privilege is to you, you might want to, at that time, go ahead and get a new term policy, one that has those better features. And that some of the companies have really good products and some of them not so much.
Stewart Welch, thank you so much. A lot of folks running to get those policies to check them out. Thank you so much
Thanks,
this
Sarah.
morning.